hear, Sean.
Alright, so now I am stitch welding all these seams. So from the factory it came with spot welds. So like if you look at these two joints together, so if you look at the spot weld, it goes like that, right? So like when the body's under stress, it'll move a little bit. So what we're doing is adding these spot welds here an inch apart so that it stays intact when you're drifting or going sideways.
So the body's a lot more stiffer.
It's a lot more stiffer. That's the plan.
He's going to be welding more of the seams just to make the body stiffer like he talked about. And right now he's wire wheeling all these sim sealer away.
Most people use heat and scrape it off. This is pretty easy. So why stitch weld it instead of having a continuous bead? Basically, you don't want to burn through the sheet metal, which is like pretty thin. If you put too much heat in one spot, you'll warp the metal. So what you want to do is keep a space between each weld and try not to burn through it. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a huge gap right here. So what I'm gonna do is take the wheel off and then hopefully pry it from the inside so we can put it together. Alright, here we go. The wheel's off. Check that out. That's huge. Got this vice grip. I'm just gonna put it in between the two panels and then press them together. Alright, so I got most of the interior stitch welded up. Just finished this. Next I have to do this. I'm not gonna weld from here on out because we might end up cutting the body from here like that, possibly in the future, so I'm not gonna weld that part. Alright, so I just finished welding up the interior. Now I'm gonna hit it with the wire wheel, and then after that I'm gonna clean all this stuff up and then grab a scuff pad, scuff all this paint up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a can of paint and paint all the interior up so it matches the whole body. So we're gonna go with white, gloss white. Here's the before and here's the after. Got one side painted up with this stuff. Now I'm gonna try and get that side painted.